of us on the boat. Mayhem on just one more.
What a fish.
Okay guys, weather's pretty average down here in Victoria at the moment, so I thought I'd take the time to do a bit of maintenance on the trailer. It's something that a lot of people don't actually do, but it pays dividends in the long run. So as you can see, I've got the trailer all jacked up. The jack's in there underneath there just to hold it, just in case. Safety first. Wheels are off, and all I'm doing is checking wheel bearings. So the easiest way to check the wheel bearings is actually grab it and sort of try and rock it back and forth, and then give it a bit of a turn. If there's any play in there, then you'll know you need to do wheel bearings, okay? These are really good at the moment. The other thing that I'm checking while I'm in here, I'm checking the brake pads just to make sure that they're not worn all the way down, and I'm also checking the studs on the wheel nuts themselves here, okay? Just give them a bit of a clean up. Got the wire brush there, give them a quick clean up, get them ready, put them back on. The other thing that I'm looking at is tyre wear. Alright, so this is the tyre off the rear axle. It's wearing pretty good. However, the one on the front is scalloping out on the inside. So I'm going to rotate those, that way we get a bit more life out of them. Real simple thing to do, but could save you a lot of money in the long run. So remember, after you wash and clean the boat, take that 5-minute check the wheel bearings, you'll be good to go for your next trip. Okay guys, finished off the trailer, did the other side, and this is what I found. Alright, wouldn't have got us too much further, I don't reckon, plus could have done a fair bit of damage to the boat, or worse still, someone else. So, do the maintenance on the trailer, save yourself the hassle.